Michelle Obama's powerful memoir, Becoming, explores her journey from Chicago's South Side to the White House. This video summarizes 6 key lessons from her inspiring life story. First, she emphasizes owning your story, embracing every part of your past. Secondly, Michelle teaches us to believe in your potential, understanding that true strength comes from within. Her journey illustrates the importance of hard work and staying grounded, even amidst global recognition. She also highlights finding your voice and speaking your truth, advocating for what you believe. Building strong relationships, both personal and professional, is another cornerstone of her philosophy. Finally, Becoming encourages us to embrace change, seeing it not as an obstacle but as an opportunity for growth. What if success isn't about becoming someone else, but about fully becoming yourself? And what if the life you want starts with owning your story, not hiding it? In this video, I'm sharing powerful lessons and my personal takeaways from Becoming by Michelle Obama. This isn't just a life story. It's a guide about identity, growth, resilience, and finding your voice. The main message of this book is, life is not about arriving, it's about becoming. You don't have to have everything figured out. You grow, evolve, and discover who you are over time. And your story, every part of it matters. Michelle Obama's journey shows that where you come from doesn't limit you. It shapes you. Don't hide your background, use it as strength. Use your experiences to build confidence. Your story is your power. She faced doubt, pressure, and expectations, but she didn't let them define her. You don't need permission to grow. Go after opportunities even if you feel unsure. Confidence grows through action. Success didn't come overnight. It came from discipline, education, and consistency. Focus on long-term growth. Stay disciplined in your daily habits. Don't let success change your values. One of the most powerful parts of her journey was learning to speak up. Speak honestly about what you believe. Don't shrink yourself to fit others' expectations. When you use your voice, you inspire others. Behind her success was support, family, mentors, and community. You don't succeed alone. Surround yourself with positive people. Build meaningful connections. Life will not go as planned, and that's okay. Adapt when life shifts. See change as opportunity, not fear. Becoming is a continuous process. Becoming teaches us this. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep growing. When you own your story, trust your voice, and stay committed, you become the person you're meant to be. If this message inspired you, comment, "I am becoming" below as a reminder to keep growing every day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs this message. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.